Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Nomifactory GTCEu Expert Mode. So there's a few things that I've been working on while off stream. Last time we were working on some interfaces and assemblers for E21. I'll get to that stuff over there in a second, but so I did make an interface terminal, as you can see here. I'll show you that in a second. I added another 1K ME storage because this one is got 63 types of items in it. So I've got this so we can keep putting more items in it. So this pattern terminal or interface terminal, right? All of these lines are essentially an interface, right? So this 3 times wire one is actually connected to this wire mill at the bottom of it. And so I created patterns, right? These are all patterns. This one's not going to stay here. But so these are all the assembling machine ones that I have set up. I've got the aluminum plates right now for the bending machine. And then these are just obviously the craft ones, right? Essentially a crafting station. So I added the fluid and item filter and then the ME interface here, which is, as you can see, annihilation, formation, machine, hole, and robot arm. Now we've got the formation and annihilation and robot arm here. So we can craft these 3, but oh, right. Okay, yeah, we can do these 2. The machine hole. So everything can be auto-crafted. So like if I were to like go in here, right? Or here and like let's say we wanted an ME interface, right? As long as we have everything here, right? Now I didn't put autocrafts in for this stuff yet, but let's say that these were in the network. I could just press start and it would make an ME interface for me. It would do all the steps. As long as I have all the resources in there, so that's nice. From start to finish, pretty much. I'll eventually get more autocrafts in, but this is all I have in there for now. So let me show you this other section that I was working on. I did add, so last time you saw there was 3 steam dynamos, and now there is 5. And so essentially the reason why I added more of that was because I did add a second advanced steam turbine. So now, when everything's running at full power, all the turbines, I believe we're at 1,792 RF per tick being generated, which is, we're generating 448 EU per tick if all of these are running. 448. And if we have all of them running, the 3 steam dynamos couldn't keep up with the steam required. And since we upgraded this, which we did it off stream, but so there was one MV energy hatchback here, but I added a second one off stream, and now it says max EU per tick HV for our blast furnace. So this sucks up a lot more energy, which is why I decided to add another advanced steam turbine to help make sure we didn't run out of energy as quickly. Um, if I have the blast furnace running for a while, like I did 3 stacks of aluminum dust, and it was gonna run out of energy. But like if I do a full stack, then it's fine. But like 3 stacks, it'll run out of energy by that time. So that's that. I also did get, well, obviously I put some more, what, what did I just get hit by? Did I just get struck by lightning somehow inside? There's nothing in here to damage me. Uh, hello? Okay, that was weird. As I was saying before, I did add, a few more just random things in here. Some of the filters. We can obviously autocraft diodes, which is nice. Um, so there's just a few more things in here. And so today we're gonna be looking towards some stainless steel stuff, right? This is gonna be essentially the main material for HV stuff, as you can see here. Um, so to make stainless steel, you obviously need stainless steel dust, and if you put that in a blast furnace, which has to be HV, now you can do it with either nitrogen or no nitrogen. If you do it with nitrogen, it's about 20 seconds faster, and you also use less power overall. So that's a nice little advantage if you decide to use nitrogen. Or you can do it without, use more power, and it takes longer. But anyways, back to the stainless steel dust, right? It's iron, nickel, manganese, and chrome. Now last time I was trying to figure out, well, how do you get manganese? Well, I did figure it out, which one I was going to do, at least. So I essentially got, I mined a good amount of spessartine, and I also found some pyrolusite. Uh, and so I was getting, this one's better though. Well, I don't know which one's necessarily better. This one you get more, but this one, I guess technically for efficiency reasons, this one would be better. But it might be easier to find spessartine. Anyways, um, so if you look at the electrolyzer here, we've got 52 manganese dust from electrolyzing some stuff there. And so I also haven't prepared the other stuff. Now, we do need it to be dust. It has to be iron dust and nickel dust. You can't use the ingot form, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do real quick is throw these in there, and we'll let those grind up. Shouldn't take too long. Um, so, looking back at this again, to make the stainless steel dust, you have to have an MV mixer with a configuration of 3, and then you'll get 9 stainless steel dust for every craft. Now we're going to start with 10 crafts, which is why we've got 60 iron. So we'll end up with 90 stainless steel dust, which we'll then put in our blast furnace, which we upgraded to HV, essentially. So take this, and there's our ingredients for the stainless steel dust. So let's go ahead and go to the mixer and throw these in there. And it's not doing what we want it to. We forgot to put this to 3, but that's fine because we can use Invar too. It just made Invar dust, but if you look here, you can do a 4-3-1-1, So like 4, 3, 1, 1, and like that, I think. Does that get you stainless steel dust? Nope. Did I not put this stuff in right? I don't think so. Okay, let's look at this again. Um, da, da. 4 iron, 3 invar. 4 iron, 3 invar, 1 nickel, and 1 chrome. Oh, I think this is it. Well, technically this, right? 4 iron, 3 invar, 1 manganese, and 1. Wait, not nickel. Shit. Get that out of there. This is what it is. So if we do these 4, then we should get stainless steel. So you can do invar, but it's easier if you just use the other one, because it's the same. It actually equals out to the same amount here. So I just like to do, I think this one's easier to do. It's the same ingredients essentially. And we're gonna have to turn probably at least one more of these on, otherwise we're gonna run out of steam for sure. So this mixer is going, and there's our 9 stainless steel dust. Now we're gonna do the rest of these real quick. Let me get rid of all this invar though. So then we'll do the other craft. 4, 3, 1, 1. Throw that in there. And then we'll kick this over to 3. And then we'll do this one. So it's 6, 6, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Okay. Like that. That'll work. It should at least. Oh, this has got to be a 1 though. Maybe? Wait, what? How did this get back in our inventory? Wait. No, it's supposed to be a 3. There we go. It started. That was weird. First it disappeared from my inventory, and then I was like, oh wait, maybe it needs to be a 1. Then it's like, oh, nope, it was actually a 3, like I thought. So this should be making out more stainless steel dust, this time without the invar. Just this one. Let's just double check. 27. Okay, perfect. We'll just let that do its thing. And so, looking at... Oh yeah, so we're gonna have to put some stainless steel in the blast furnace. The dust in the blast furnace. Now, I don't necessarily think... There's really no point in using the stainless steel dust for this. This is like going backwards. I don't think we really need that. So, we'll put this in the blast furnace. Let's go ahead and grab some. Guess we'll just grab all of these actually. Then we're gonna have to kick a couple of these on, a couple more on. We can run it with 4. We don't have to have 5. So if we throw these in there, this is full. So let me take that out, for example, and then it'll start doing some stainless steel ingots. Let's see how long it takes. 55 seconds. So the nice thing about it being HV now, obviously it does require more energy, but for like making steel and aluminum, I noticed the time was like cut in half to make them, so that's kind of nice. Half the time to make them. So this is about to make its first steel in or stainless steel ingot. And so the stainless steel is going to be um, quite nice. I know you use it for the holes. Let's grab one of these, and then the quest will be complete. And we also got that goal, stainless steel, all good to go. Um, okay, so we got this quest complete, which now unlocks HV machine holes. So if you look at that, it's one stainless steel plate, but um, I actually am not going to be doing this one. I'm going to be doing this one, which you'll still need stainless steel, but you need one less stainless steel compared. If you do this, it's one extra. So this is better, for sure. You just need polyethylene, 2 ingots worth. So it's literally, for an HV machine hole, it's 8 stainless steel plates, 2 gold cables, and 2 ingots worth of polyethylene, which is not bad at all. So with the HV machine holes, this is all the stuff that we can make. Um, 4 tanks, 16,000, so 16 buckets. This one's, I guess, 1. Okay. Just curious on the difference there. So, wait, where was I? Here. Alright. Just looking at this stuff. Haven't really looked. Distillation tower. We need those fancy circuits for that though. Yeah, so this is the beginning of the HV um, processing machines. Alloy smelter assembling, bending, canning, compressor, etc. I wonder how fast this electric furnace is. Lathe, extruder. So they all require, say, the advanced integrated circuit, right? We've made these before. Not too many of them, but... So, let's say on average they might require like at least 2 of them. So if you need 2 of them, then that means you need 4 of these for every single machine that you make. 4 good integrated circuits, so we'd be needing quite a few of the good integrated circuits for sure. Let's see what else. Anything else? Okay. Anything? Clean room. Pattern encoder? Okay, that's everything there. Oh, there's the clean room. Looks like you'll be needing stainless steel for this, I think. Oh, okay. 2, 3. Okay. So I guess that's that. We've only got 4 stainless steel so far. Takes quite a while. Um, I guess, so we can make our first HV machine hole, but we need to wait a little bit before we get some more stainless steel. And then I'm kind of wondering, once you have an HV machine hole, I really don't know what would be the best thing to make first with the stainless steel. Now, here, it's, it does unlock the HV assembler immediately. So obviously, I guess you could make this first. It does say check the surrounding quests. It This one can make a few nice things. So let's look at what this unlocks. Super ender tanks. Huh. Um, uh, Item reward. Huh. Interesting. A flower with named Smiley Face. Okay. Huh. Greggy Infinite Water. A more compact infinite water source. Place this as a cover. Oh. So this is like, I think 16 times better than the other water source that we have, except I think this one only can be applied to one machine for every single cover you make. So if, I guess if one machine needs a lot of water, you can always attach that to it. Water fast, rather. Central monitor allows you to monitor parts of your factory. You can see the status, capacity, and more of machines and even access their GUI remotely. Check the wiki for more of the details. Hmm, okay. So I guess that's the stuff that unlocks. Sodium, potassium, we have that one done, it looks like. Oh wait, no we don't. The green is messing me up. It's a new quest. Used in the construction of HV and above, energy and dynamo hatches. Which is, I guess, which is why it's required for this energy hatch. Um, H or MV circuit assembler. We didn't do that one yet. Advanced circuit assembler. Wait, advanced. Oh wait, we did the advanced That's what I'm thinking of, assembling machine. But we didn't do the circuit assembler. Okay, so I can either do that, advance the circuit assembler. This I don't think we can do yet. The multi-smelter, I'm pretty sure. Debug scanner, what's this? Oh, this is like our scanner that you start with, sort of, but I don't think it's as good. Wait. No, this is different, I think. Okay, that's different, never mind. It just looked the same, sort of, but a different color. Okay, so to do the circuit assembler, or well, we can still do the HV machine hole, knock that out. But then we'd have circuit assembler here, or this HV assembler, assembling machine. This requires advanced integrated circuits, and I believe the other one does too. advanced integrated circuits. So we're definitely going to have to make some advanced integrated circuits, which means we're unfortunately going to have to also make sure that we have plenty of good integrated circuits and all this other stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at this here. First, we'll take a look at these. And so, oh, we just added that one twice. Oops. I didn't even realize you could add the same thing twice. That's so weird. Huh. Okay. So, looking at these, and it is a 2-to-1 ratio, unfortunately, right now. Um, so let's say we wanted to make, shit, how many would we want to make? How many do we want to make of these? Uh, shit. I feel like we should make at least 10, at least. What are we gonna need for that? Why does this not seem like that much for 10 of these? Oh. Oh, because this is the easier one, duh. We're gonna want more than 10 of these. Let's try 20. Okay. I think that's 20. Wait, is that 2010? 2880. Yeah, that's 2010. Okay. That's 10 ingots of polyethylene. Overall, not too bad. Maybe we even make more, to be honest. 32. Okay. So 3210. Do we have access to tin here? I don't think so. No, we don't. So tin, 32 fine copper wire. Actually, let me double check that we don't have any of this stuff already made. So we have the circuit boards, I think, but I don't think they're in here, are they? Oh wait, yeah. Did I see 14 circuit boards? Oh no, it was 16. That makes sense. So we've got the circuit boards. That's knocked out. 32 tin bolts. Resistors. So we're gonna need 64 diodes and resistors. And resistors. So we've got 60 resistors and 12 diodes. So we can auto craft some diodes here. So if we do this and put 52, then all I have to do is hit start. And you can look at the crafting thing here. So it's making fine annealed copper wire. You can see this number going down. 48, 40. Now it's making silicon wafers right now. Or is it making silicon wafers? We've got 8. Or maybe it's using them. I see 8. But I don't know what this... I can't remember what the stored means. It should be using them. I think it took them out already. This is just extra silicon wafers that I have. Uh, okay, so now it's making the diodes. Well, except one thing. I need to put polyethylene in here. I forgot I took it out. If I leave polyethylene in there, then we should be fine. The only time I take it out is if I want to use that for something and it needs something besides polyethylene. So I'm eventually going to have a dedicated I figured out that I need dedicated stuff, machines for automation essentially. So you need a lot more machines than just one, for example. But as you can see, this number is going up now. 8, 12, 16 here in a second. 16, and there we go. You can see it doing that. Does it show anything here? Okay, yeah, that shows that too. Okay. So while that's doing that, we also are going to need resistors, right? Because we only have 60 and we need 64. So we need a coal dust and 4 fine copper. Now we did make some extra coal dust, so coal dust and copper. Ah, wait. Let me look over here real quick. We have some stuff in here. Fine copper wire. There we go. We've got it. Wait. Oh, right, we need glue. Glue, glue, glue. We do have glue in here, though. Uh, we should have glue in here. We left it somewhere, maybe? Oh, there's all the rest of our stainless steel. Did we leave the glue somewhere? Where did we leave it? That's a great question. I think all the diodes are done. Okay, now we've got 64 diodes. That was nice and simple. Oh, I guess we have a couple here. Not much. Oh wait, here's the glue. Right. I was centrifuging more resin to get more glue because I was getting a little bit low. So that's why we've got 16 buckets worth of glue now. Right. Okay, so back over to here actually. Let's put that in there real quick. Okay. Okay, wait, that don't, ah, I should have used the fine annealed copper. I forgot. That would have given us 4. Okay, so at least we had the 2 extra here. So we've got that stuff done. Now it says we need 64 fine gold wires. Now what do we need the fine gold wires for? Oh, right, for this. The final product. That's electrum. Not gonna be what we want. At least not right now. Do we have gold wire in here? We've got 44. Which let's actually make an auto craft for this real quick. Add this. So, fine gold wire. We want this one, and we're going to get rid of that and encode that. And then the nice thing about this interface terminal, we don't have to go over there to the um, interface on the machine. We can just go here and drop it straight into here. And now, magically, we've got that there. So as long as we have gold in the network, which we don't actually, if we did, we could just auto craft these right now. So let's see if we, I'm just gonna grab all this gold, whatever. We'll put it all in here. So let's say we wanted 20 more. It'll craft 24 because that's what it has to do. and it spit those right into our wire mill, which is crafting these up. Now 16 left, and you can see here that we've got 8. Mm, 16. That gets us 60. How many did we say we needed? Oh, 64, right? Okay. We'll have some extra there. It's fine. So we've got all the fine gold wire. Now it says we need 64 silver bolts, and that's because of this, and 32 tin bolts for these ones. 64 silver, 32 tin. I don't think the bolts are in here. No. I think I have some over here. So we've got some and some. Let's see. Okay, so we need 48 silver, 24 tin. So 8, 6 silver and 6 silver, 3 tin. 6 silver. And don't think I have 10 in here, unfortunately. But I guess I'll just grab a stack and put it in here so that way we have some. Could probably put all of it in here, to be honest. That would probably be fine. Okay, so right. 6 over 310. Why is it not showing up? Did I not just put it in there? Oh, wait. We want to be looking at this one. Okay, 6 over 310, and we got to put that into the extruder with the bolts. Okay. There we go. We should have enough of those now. Integrated circuits. We have some of those. Over here, I think? No. Here? What? Oh. Integrated circuits. We have them right here already. Oh. So we need 16 in total. And we've got only 8 on ours? What? So we've got 14. I'm confused. So if I exclude my inventory, it says we need 16 integrated circuits. If I include, it says we need 8. How does that work? That would mean I only have 8 in my inventory, but I have 14. What? Oh, wait, I think I get it. Because it makes 8 at a time. We need 16, which means we would need 2 more, but in order to make 2 more, we'd have to make 8 more. That's why it's showing 8 there. Integrate logic circuit wafer. Okay. I think we're gonna use this one. I know we were, uh, some of the stuff we were preparing, I think, I'm pretty sure. So let's go ahead and put this into the cutting saw. Over here. That'll take 90 seconds. But once we have that, all of this stuff from here to the left will disappear, and we'll be able to start doing the circuits in the circuit assembler. Let's get this stuff set up. everything that we have in the circuit assembler right now while that's going. So, right. Um, let's see. Advanced integrated circuits, which require good. Okay. So we're doing these ones first, yeah. So we need good circuit boards, which we've got. Integrated logic circuits, which, could have sworn we had some somewhere. Are they in here? We've got 12. Not sure if that's gonna be enough. We'll see. We'll put those in there. The resistors, um, diodes, gold wire, and silver bulb. Okay, so yeah, okay. I think we have all that other stuff in here for the final product. Maybe, or some of it, I think we have there. So it says we need 32 integrated logic circuits. Integrated logic circuits. Oh, and we only have 12. Damn, that's not enough. Welp, that's unfortunate. It really is. Um, so this is enough for 6. I guess we'll knock this out real quick. Knock all these ones out. Gotta put this in the extractor. This is gonna be a bit of a process here, because I've gotta make more of the integrated logic circuits to make more of the good integrated circuits, and then finally we'll have the advanced integrated circuits. Too bad I can't have this automated right now. There's a lot of machines that go into this process here. Okay, so we've got that. Let's go ahead and put the tin in here. That'll start going. So we're gonna need more of these, right? Which means we're gonna need circuit boards. More integrated circuits. I don't know if we're gonna have enough of those. We did make 8, but so we need 16. 16 for this. We can spare 6 right now. How many of these can we go with 6? 12 of them? That still won't be enough. Let's get another silicon wafer going, or a couple. Let's do 4, I guess, actually. So we put those in the precision laser engraver right here. We're probably gonna, we're using a lot of energy right now. We've got 3 steam dynamos going. Let's see how the energy is looking down here right now. It's looking really bad. But these aren't running out of steam right now. They're all running at full power. These numbers are pretty similar. We've got about 1700 going into the system and about 1700 going out. Oh, okay, because we're at 0, that's why. Everything is operating at full power right now, and we're not running out of steam. So we don't need to add more steam dynamos, only if we're running out of steam. So all of our turbines are operating full power, just using a lot of energy. Oh, the blast furnace is still going. Huh. Okay, let's turn this off for a second. Let that last one finish, and then we won't run out of energy over here of what we're doing. Well, I mean, the energy bar's not draining yet, but I was thinking it might potentially. So that's why I just took this out for now. Okay, so we're getting more integrated circuits. We're gonna need more resistors, more diodes. It's a never-ending thing. Let's just craft another 64, I guess. And we don't have enough silicon wafers. What a surprise. So to get more silicon wafers, we're gonna need more of these, which means we're gonna need silicon in small piles. 64. And we put those in the blast furnace. Okay. Now it says it takes 450 seconds, but I think it'll be about half that time. Ah, it's stuck. We don't have enough energy, so it's not able to finish that right now. Once this finishes over here, we should be good. It should have enough energy now, I think, in a second. Yeah, it's going up. Uh, it's going up a bit, almost. Boom. Okay, there we go. See, even with the extra advanced steam turbine, it was still struggling a bit there. But we're getting plus 1736 right now. 1792 right here. This number is all of the steam turbines combined power. Plus 1792. I don't, I don't know where this 56 is going. Like I don't know what's using the energy, but something does for whatever reason. Just letting this charge up a bit, and then I'm gonna put these in the blast furnace so we can get more of these and get more silicon wafers and get more of these. Um, we're probably gonna need more tin bolts and fine copper wire, I'm thinking too. Okay. Yep, definitely a process. This charge up for a bit. Okay. Let's head over here to the blast furnace. I'm gonna have to take one of these out for sure. Actually, whatever, I'll just take both out. Put it in our system. Put... Wait, let me double check here. Okay, let's take this out. Input this, and then this. There we go. Okay, 225 seconds. So like I thought, it's half the time. So it takes about 3 minutes and 40, yeah, it takes 3 minutes, 45 seconds compared to 7.5 minutes, I believe. That's still a long time. And hopefully we don't run out of energy. We did let that charge up a bit. Let's see how it's going down here. It's like minus about 200 RF per tick. Let's see. Or it's like maybe minus 185 times 20. So that's like 3,700 RF per second that we're losing. So if we figure this thing has 3,800,000, 3.8 million divided by 3,700, 1,000 seconds until it's completely empty, which is 17 minutes at that rate. But good thing this is only going to take uh, three and a half, about 3.5 times 2. Yeah, so like 7, so we should be fine. We're not going to run out of energy, for sure. Okay, okay, this made 12 good integrated circuits. That's an alright amount, but we need 32. We ran out of the circuits. We're gonna have to clear this to make room for the other stuff. Let's put this stainless steel away. We don't need this in our inventory right now. Let's put those away. Put the diodes in here for now. Stainless steel we'll put inside here for now. Glue. Okay. So put this, this. Oh, and the silver bolts. Okay. So now we're gonna be making some integrated circuits because we're gonna need more of these to make more of these. So let's put the circuit boards in there. Integrated circuits, which we're gonna be making more of course. Resistors. We can't use those ones because we're keeping those for the other ones. Okay. We've got a good integrated circuit in here? I guess so. We've got more circuit boards here too. Let's grab those just in case we need them. Diodes, fine copper wire, 10 bolts. What do we have in here? We have some fine copper wire, and we have 10 bolts. Some. Um, okay. Whew. So we need to make more resistors. We're gonna make a 64. So we're gonna need 16 coal dust. And, um, let's see, how many? 64 fine annealed copper wire. Now I believe we can actually auto-craft that. Actually, yeah, we've got to do 64. So that'll start making those. This is still going. We got one of them. Let's go ahead and put that into the next phase, which is cutting saw. Actually, do we have enough energy? Maybe we wait a second. Both of these things have to go into the cutting saw, actually. But I don't want to stop this thing from working. So I'll wait a second. See how it's going down here. Still got a decent amount of energy, of course. That's why it's nice to have a bank, or I guess a couple, if you're using lower tier ones for sure. This ensures that you have a little bit of a cushion for if you're not necessarily producing enough power, you can still keep your machines running at full power, even if they're not producing enough. Right. Oh, right. I guess I do have 4 running right now. Okay, yeah. So how much longer on this one? Oh, this one's almost done. 30 seconds left. This is just gonna be, this session's just gonna be a lot of, making circuits and getting the stuff ready for these, 2 machines, as you can see. That. Oh, it's done. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over here. I believe we're going to the cutting machine now. We're going to cut these up into some wafers. 40 seconds each. Coal dust. Coal dust. And, oh, do we have the fine annealed copper wire? We should by now. Yes. Okay. So we've got all that, and then we put that in the assembler with the glue. Take the polyethylene out for now. Put the glue in, which is, I think, here. Yes. Throw that in there, and then put these in there. And the resistors are going to go straight into our system. Oops. So the resistors are being taken care of. We did do all the diodes already, right? Or did we not? Oh wait, we don't need diodes for these ones. Oh wait, yeah we do. Duh. So we need to get... Wait. Do we not make 64 diodes? I think we made it for this, actually. Or did I... Diode. I guess, yeah, we're just gonna have to make some more of those. Oh! The reason why we couldn't make more diodes is because we didn't have wafers. That's why we didn't make it. We're gonna need more fine annealed copper wire. Just a heads up for anyone that doesn't know. If you already have something here, but you can auto-craft it, right? As you can see here, it has an auto-craft. You can't, uh, you obviously can't left-click on this because there's stuff already there. But if you middle mouse button, by default, it'll get you to the auto-craft menu, even though there's stuff on top of it already, which is nice. Wait, did our... Okay, it's still going. Okay, so we've got more fine annealed copper wire. Perfect. Is this done? We've got 32 of those. Let's go ahead and put these in there now. So this is going to get us more integrated circuits. We've got silicon wafers, so now we can make more diodes. And let's make 64. Start. And that'll do its thing. Oh, except we have to put more polyethylene back in here. That's not the right machine. There we go. Now it'll do its thing. I'll eventually have dedicated machines here for so that we don't have to keep taking the polyethylene out and dealing with that situation. Okay, so I think the stuff down here should probably be fully charged by now. Yes. So if we want, we could probably put some more stainless steel in there. How much stainless steel did we get? Got 25. Let's put another 5 in right now. Oh, with this? The number should start draining here a little bit. Yep. What? Oh, it says minus 600 because we're running not just the blast furnace, we're running the other stuff over here too. This one's using 64. This one's using 120. Yeah. Using quite a bit of energy right now, for sure. I'll probably eventually get this hooked up to water, because I've just been putting the water in manually, but could definitely hook that up to the water line. Okay, integrated circuits. Yep, yep, yep. So we've got 64 resistors. We've got almost all the diodes. Wait, 58? Oh, right, it's still making more diodes right now. Forgot. One more set. Okay. Oops. I should have done that. There we go. So, diodes and resistors, yeah, that's what we need. Fine copper wire, we're gonna need more of that. And we're gonna need melted tin. Let's look here. Fine copper wire. We'll do that. Have that auto crafted up. It's going. Okay. 56. Okay. Get in there. Over here, let's grab these integrated circuits. Throw that in there. And then, let's see. So, it takes 2 of all of these, but just 1 of those. Right now we can make 18 sets of these, so we can get 36. I guess we'll do that. So let's get 18 ingots of 10, 10. And then we're gonna extract these and get the liquid. Probably could have been doing that while the other stuff was going, but I wasn't thinking about that. Damn, that's a lot of items. 1 billion and 2 billion items. I really can't think of why I would end up using a storage downgrade. Seems weird. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab all of this tin and get that circuit thing going over here. Throw that in there. Get us some circuits. It looks like the stainless steel finished. Got 5 more of those. How's it going down here with the energy? It's filling back up. Nothing using energy right now. This should be using energy over here. 16 EU. I guess that's because it's taking from here, maybe? Before this system. Okay, so once all these circuits are done, we'll go back to making the good integrated circuits. And we've already got, of course, all the stuff here. We just ran out of the circuits, that's all. Wait, are we gonna have enough good circuit boards now that I'm thinking about it? Because we need 32 good integrated circuits. 32. We need 20 more. And that means we need 9 of these. So we've got to get more good circuit boards. Good thing I was thinking about that. We do already have iron 3 chloride, so that part's handled. But let's see. Let's come up here real quick. See. Okay, we don't have any up here. So first things first, we've got to get coated circuit boards with phenol. Um, 29. Okay. So, actually, screw it, we're doing this. 20. I think, do we have fennel? Uh, we're out of fennel? No. Okay, so to get fennel, I'm gonna have to put coal in here. Let's see, do we have coal up here? Right there. We have one. So grab from here. How much is it that we make? 16 as a K. So we've got to do 32, I think. Into the paralyzed oven you go. Does 4 at a time? What? Oh no, we put 32. Duh, not 20. Okay, so that's cooking. Machine needs more energy? What do you mean machine needs more energy, bro? Huh. Very interesting. This thing is done over here. That's good to go. Wait. Let me look at this again real quick. Did I think did I forget to? Wait, let me double check something. I think I cut the wire and I forgot to reconnect it. So the pyrolyzed oven has no energy because this goes to the pyrolyzed oven right here. We need to get shit. Can we even we can't even connect the 4 times wire, can we? If we connect it to this, I think it's gonna have an issue. Um, let's see. LV energy converter? Maybe this will be fine. So this connected to here. We need to have that output down. I don't know if it's actually connected to... Is it connected to the wire down there? Probably not, right? Nah. We need our freaking wire cutters. Uh, there we go. Now we should have energy going to the pyrolyzed oven. Yep, it's on. Perfect. All good to go here. Now it's doing its thing. And so we're going to be going to the chemical reactor with the phenol. And putting those in there. And then, oh, we're also going to have to get silver foil. If we're doing 20, we're going to need 80 of these. And so that's going to be 20 silver. So let's get some silver times 20. And let's start metal bending these. This probably has got some phenol by now. Yes? Oh, and it just grabbed the second one. Okay, perfect. Head over here. Right here, put this in there. That'll start doing that. Then then almost done here. Oh, right, we're gonna have to grab it from here. $19, $20. And then we'll put that back in there again. Get the foil going. While the phenolic substrate's being made too. Then we'll have enough of these, and then we'll start making good integrated circuits again. And then finally, once we have enough good integrated circuits, we can make the advanced. So many circuits, so many. It'll be nice when I have that automated, holy. Yeah, that'll be nice. Just being able to click one or a couple buttons and have it all be doing it on its own. It's like a high priority thing, I think. So we've got all these. Let's see, is this done? Almost. And now we'll go to, oh wait, the same chemical reactor really. And we'll put this and these. Now we'll be getting good circuit boards. And we need at least 9 to finish what we're doing here. Let's go ahead and take this stuff out. And get this stuff in. Okay. And so, let me look. Actually, so we needed 32. So actually, it's only going to be 10. Never mind, we don't need more circuit boards. I forgot, it's a 2-to-1 ratio. You get 2 of them. So all we need is 10, 10. Extracted. I don't think I need this glue anymore, hopefully. Not right now. Okay. Alright, one more. There we go. Now we come over to here, take that, put this in here. Let that do its thing. Energy. Damn energy. The energy failed, but not down here. Wait, these have no steam? What? Oh shit. We're out of oh shit. We had those turned off. Damn it. Okay, okay. Let's disable this one. That one's full. Oh, of course it's gonna start putting stuff in that one, so actually we'll just disable this one. Or something like that. Disable that one and have these two going. So that way we keep getting energy. There we go. Okay. Oh, damn it. Water got in here. Because I don't have a frickin' uh, fluid filter on top. There we go. I thought I had put fluid filters on all of them, but I guess not. Okay. So this is going. We've got to do, after this craft, it'll be 4 more crafts, and then we'll have 20. And then, with the 32 good integrated circuits, we should be able to make these. 16 of these. 16 of these. So what can 16 of these even get us? Better be a lot. Better be a lot of stuff. Oh, there's that water cover. Circuit assembler. We're not going to be doing any of that stuff. So I guess it's just going to be crafting stuff. Right, we can always use those to make more blank patterns if we need to. We'll probably need to at some point for sure, actually. Um, that's for the P2P tunnels. Hmm, let's see. Well, pretty much. We'll start with I guess the circuit assembler and assembling machine, I think. And then, oh, this is the one that we have, right? Hey, we could potentially finally make the scanner that we've had this whole time. uh, advanced thruster jetpack? Hmm, I wonder how that is compared to the one that I have. It's a different mod pack though. Implosion compressor? Multi-smelter. That's the good thing, right? That's the thing that I thought I couldn't make, but maybe I can finally potentially make it now. This is like something that smelts stuff insanely fast, especially the more you upgrade it. Um, the base smelting speed, the very basic one, it's 32 items. It does 32 items in the same time as a furnace does, 1. I don't know. I'm assuming they're comparing it to vanilla, I guess. Um, so I don't know how fast the obsidian furnace upstairs is going compared to vanilla. But obviously this one you can upgrade a lot. I just don't know how difficult it is to upgrade it. Um, so it's a multi-block. The Cooper nickel coils, of course we've used those before. This actually looks really similar to the blast furnace, it feels like, almost. Um, with a set of level 4 coil blocks per operation. I wonder, so is the operation, I'm assuming the operation here is the same length of time as a regular furnace, but it's just doing more items per operation. Maybe? But I don't think I can use higher tier coils besides Cooper Nickel right now. I don't think I can use the other kinds of coils. I think the next one is Canthal. Um, so we can obviously do the copper and aluminum, but what about the Canthal? How do you get Canthal? Curious. Uh, yeah, that does not look easy. Wait. Oh, maybe it might be easier. So this is MV, MV, MV. But we don't have a Canthal or a vacuum freezer. Can you do it with an arc furnace? I don't know about that. I think this is already like items that are already made. All of these. Yeah. Already made items. This is already gonna be Canthal stuff, of course. So that's not useful. I think the only way to get Canthal is the vacuum freezer. This is a weird thing. It requires EV tier circuit. I don't think we can get that right now. Yeah, we've got to get through HV first for sure before we can access those coil blocks. Huh. Okay, so this is done. Woohoo! On to the advanced integrated circuits. So let's take all this stuff off. So we need the good integrated circuits that we just made. We need integrated circuits. Wait, okay. Um, we're gonna have a little discrepancy here on the integrated circuits. What about RAM? What have we got for RAM? 24 and 48 transistors. So I think we need RAM and transistors, right? RAM, transistors, electrum wire, and annealed copper bolts. Right. Electrum and annealed copper bolts. I could have sworn we had annealed copper. Or annealed, yeah, annealed copper bolts. I thought we did. But I don't see them anymore. Did we use them? I think we used them already, in the past, I'm thinking about. Okay. We can make some more. Annealed copper bolts. There we go. Good to go. Um, Let me think here. So I know we're gonna need 10. Um, just thinking. Maybe we get more fine electrum wire too. We don't actually have that in the pattern thing yet, so actually let's do that real quick. here. Get rid of that. And then put this into the 3x wires. There we go. And so it's here now. Let's say we want 32. Just hit start. And it'll start doing that. Okay. Or it should. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, what else? What else? So the circuits and RAM, it uses 2 of those, just like these. So maybe we should get more integrated circuits and RAM, of course. That's going to require more wafers. We do have some wafers, though. I think we put them in here. That takes a while, though, 45 seconds each. And then, what was it for RAM again? Search for RAM and all of this stuff appears. Oh gosh. Yeah. RAM wafer. You need emerald for RAM. The nice thing is it makes 16 RAM wafers. Wait, we should have RAM wafer somewhere. Because we made so many. There's no way we used all the RAM wafers. Is it upstairs? There's literally no way we used all those. Right? There's no way. Actually impossible. Huh. I could have sworn we should have more RAM wafers. Because when you do this, you make... Oh, wait. I was looking at the other ones, they make 16, but this one only makes 1, which makes 32. So yeah, we do have to make another RAM wafer, which we would need an emerald lens for that. And that's right here. Let's go down. How much? We're gonna use like all of the RAM right now, I think. All of that anyways. Okay, so we've got 2 of these. Now let's switch that out, put this one in, and do 2 of those. And then I think we have to put these in. Oh, we've got more integrated circuits right there. Look at that. But we're making more anyways. Oh, shift. There we go. Okay, so we're getting more RAM. The final extrum should be done, of course. There we go. Transistors. Does it use 2 resistors? Transistors? It uses 4! Oh boy, you need a lot of those. Okay. We've got to make some more transistors. Silicon plates. Ah, those are really easy to make though. But we need silicon ingots for that. And those are up here. Let's actually bring those into our ME system. How many plates do we want? Let's say we make a stack, right? That'd be 8. 8. Put that in there. Okay, so we've got 8 silicon plates. And then we would need fine tin wire. We didn't make that yet either. Boom. This one right there. Okay. Now we've got fine tin wire craftable. Perfect. It's right here. So let me think real quick. Um, 8. We're doing 8 sets, so let's say we wanted 48. 48. Boom. That'll do its thing. As you can see, they're in here now. And okay. Here's our integrated circuits. Oh, it's doing another set. I forgot though. This is done with that. Swap that back. Once that's done, we're going to put these RAM wafers in here. Okay. Now let's work on the RAM wafers. Our wire mill's done. Ten. Here's our that. Now we put these in the assembler. And okay, so those are going to here. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. While that's actually going, let's see about getting some tin extracted. Because we're gonna... Wait, did this not finish? Did we somehow run out of phenol? Could have sworn we brought one... Did we not bring 2 buckets worth? What? Oh, did we grab 4 out of here already? Maybe we did. No, we made exactly 20 of these. Oh, right, the silver foil. We didn't put all the silver foil in there, that's why. That's what was wrong. We're not on the phenol part, we're on the iron 3 chloride. Okay, so let's see. We should just make all of this into we should make 16 of these, I think. Right now. So let's get 1610. Let's go ahead and extract all this. And put more of those in there. And we're gonna need the circuits, put more of those in there. I think we're still gonna need more circuits though, to make 16. We've got RAM. Oh, we're getting more RAM? Right. More RAM. Load that up. Okay, so besides the integrated circuits, everything's capped out here. Let's do another one. Okay. Stainless steel. Okay. Just gonna wait on a little bit more of the integrated circuits and then we should be able to, I guess we can actually start going at this now if we want. Well, we gotta wait on the 10, which is right here. Boom. Okay, that's all the 10. Once we get started on this, then we'll have a bunch of, well, 16 advanced integrated circuits. I might, off stream, I might try to see if I can get the